Things have been tough for lots of us this year. Jack and Sally have just received a letter from Housing ACT giving them 14 days' notice that they have to vacate their public housing home. They don't know what to do. If you live in ACT public or community housing, Canberra Community Law can help. If you live in a private rental, you can call Legal Aid's Tenancy Advice Line. There has been a lot of questions asking about whether you can be evicted from your public housing tenancy during COVID-19. Here's what you need to know. If you are a public housing tenant, you can only be evicted from your home after a decision by the ACT Civil and Administrative Tribunal. The tribunal is like a court, and a tribunal member is like a judge. If Housing ACT wants to evict you, they must first apply to the tribunal for an order that you be made to leave. So if you receive a letter in the mail telling you you are being evicted from your Housing ACT tenancy, remember Housing ACT can't make you leave without going to the tribunal first. That letter is one of the first stages of the eviction process. It is a legal letter and is serious. You should always seek legal advice if you get a letter like this. The ACT government passed emergency laws during COVID-19 to protect some people from eviction. If a rent-paying member of your home has had their income stopped or reduced because of COVID-19, or has become eligible for JobSeeker or JobKeeper on or after 20 March 2020, then you might be protected from eviction if you can't pay your rent. But this protection only lasts until 22 October 2020. This does not stop Housing ACT from evicting you for other reasons like antisocial behaviour or damage to the property. You should always seek legal advice as soon as you receive an eviction letter in the mail, and we can help. If you live in ACT public or community housing, Canberra Community Law can help. If you live in a private rental, you can call Legal Aid's Tenancy Advice Line. If you need help, please call us on 02 6218 7900 and a lawyer will give you advice over the phone.